अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकात। आज हमारे साथ सिरात टीवी पे लाइव होंगे सैयद इजाजुल हसन नकवी साहब। ही इज़ वेरी nice educationist and is a big scholar from Sadat family. And I invite him to join our channel here on Seraat TV, and we will discuss a lot of topics about the current affairs and other different topics. So soon, Mr. Sayyid Ijazul Hassan Naqvi will join us on Seraat TV. He is a very intellectual person and have a deep grip on current issues and about some different religious topics like family tree of Sadat, history of Sayyid family. So we are still waiting for the connection because we are trying to connect him through by our channel, and it's our dignity uh, for joining him on our channel. Seraat TV is basically created by Tehreek Siratul Quran. It is the forum of Tehreek Siratul Quran to display the activities of Tehreek Siratul Quran in a videonic form. And inshallah, we will in the future continue a program consist on 1 hour in the night time to assist our subscribers and audiences to update them about